Hey traders, welcome back to the FX Geek. Today we're diving into some big news. LHFX has officially secured regulation in South Africa. This is a major move that could reshape their presence in the African Forex space, and it definitely caught my attention. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar, LHFX is a global Forex and CFD broker that's been around for a while, primarily focusing on delivering fast, secure, and flexible trading to clients worldwide. While they've already built a solid name in other regions, this new South African license marks a serious step forward in their global expansion strategy. This move isn't just about compliance, it's a signal to traders, especially those based in Africa, that LHFX is here to stay and ready to offer a more secure and transparent trading experience. So, who is this broker for? LHFX caters to both new traders looking for simplicity and low-cost trading, as well as more experienced traders who want advanced features, fast execution, and access to global markets. And if you're thinking of checking them out, I've dropped a link in the description below. Let's get into it. Now, if we scroll down the LHFX website, we're immediately hit with some big numbers. 1 to 500, max leverage, over 55 currency pairs, 73 plus stocks, 36 plus CFDs, and 10 plus indices. That's a serious range of instruments, especially for traders who want more than just Forex. Whether you're into commodities, indices, or equities, LHFX seems to offer a pretty solid lineup, all under one account with low commissions. The idea here is simple: one account, low costs, and endless market opportunities. No jumping between platforms or complicated account setups. Just log in and trade what you want. That 1 to 500 leverage, though, is something to pay attention to. While it gives you a ton of flexibility, it also comes with risk. So if you're new to trading, make sure you understand how leverage can amplify both your gains and your losses. This setup tells us LHFX is aiming to compete with other all-in-one brokers, giving both casual and high-volume traders the tools they need to go wide and deep across global markets. What's also great to see is that LHFX doesn't just list their trading instruments, they actually display live market data right on the site. You get real-time insights into bid-ask prices and current spreads across popular Forex pairs, commodities, stocks, and even crypto CFDs. This gives traders a clear picture of how the platform performs in real conditions. No guessing, no hidden surprises. Whether you're into major FX pairs like Euro to USD or want to experiment with something more exotic or crypto-based, the market data is right there for you to evaluate. It's especially useful for those who like to keep an eye on spreads for scalping or short-term trades. And the fact that you can view all this without even logging in shows a level of transparency that not all brokers offer. So overall, LHFX is doing a good job of combining a broad asset selection with user-friendly access to live trading information, something both beginners and experienced traders will appreciate. Scrolling a bit further, LHFX outlines exactly what they're aiming to offer, and it's all about enhancing the trading experience. First off, they're operating as an ECN broker, which means their pricing comes directly from liquidity providers. That usually translates to faster execution and more accurate pricing, especially in volatile market conditions. They also highlight access to MetaTrader, which is pretty much the gold standard in trading platforms. Whether you're just starting out or already running EAs and complex strategies, MetaTrader has all the tools you need, and LHFX lets you plug straight into that ecosystem. Then we've got transparent pricing and low commissions, which again ties back into that trader-friendly model. No hidden fees, just clean and straightforward trading costs. Another thing worth mentioning, LHFX mentions narrow spreads across all major tradable assets, thanks to top-tier liquidity providers. And while we won't go into exact numbers here, since those can change, just know that if you're hunting for competitive trading conditions, it's something to keep an eye on once you're in the platform. They also provide 24/7 customer support, which is a big plus. Whether it's through chat, email, or phone, having access to support around the clock can really make a difference, especially when you're dealing with real money and live markets. And if you're not ready to jump in with real capital just yet, LHFX also gives you access to a free demo account. It's fully featured, so you can test strategies, get used to the platform, and figure out your trading flow without risking a cent. All in all, LHFX seems focused on combining accessibility with pro-level features, making it attractive for both beginners and more experienced traders looking for a streamlined, cost-efficient experience. Now here's something every trader wants to hear: lightning-fast withdrawals. According to LHFX, when you request a withdrawal, your funds can land in your account within 30 minutes. That's a bold claim, and if they can consistently deliver on it, it definitely sets them apart from a lot of competitors who might take hours or even days. Even better, there are no fees for deposits or withdrawals. That's right, whether you're topping up your account or pulling profits, you won't get hit with those annoying transaction charges that can eat into your bottom line. The platform also supports a variety of payment methods: traditional bank transfers, e-wallets like Skrill and Neola, crypto wallets, and more. So no matter how you prefer to move your money, LHFX has you covered. This kind of setup is especially attractive if you're an active trader who needs flexibility and fast access to capital. No unnecessary waiting and no hidden fees to worry about. Alright, so what's the final word on LHFX? They're not just another broker trying to ride the wave. They've taken a major step forward by becoming officially regulated in South Africa. And that's huge. Why? Because regulation means accountability. It means your funds are handled under stricter standards. It means better transparency, and it means LHFX is serious about building long-term trust, especially in emerging markets like South Africa. Combine that with their wide range of tradable assets, eSIM pricing, MetaTrader access, fast withdrawals, and the fee-free deposits, and it's clear they're aiming to compete at a high level while still being accessible to beginners. Whether you're a new trader looking for a regulated starting point or a more advanced trader looking for better execution and flexibility, LHFX looks like a broker worth checking out, especially now that they're expanding into one of the most promising financial regions in the world. And that's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, give it a like, drop a comment if you've had experience with LHFX or want me to check out another broker, and make sure to subscribe for more no BS Forex reviews. Catch you in the next one.